My name is Elio Ndiek, Kenya Primary School Head Teachers Association Chairman, Nyanza region. And with me is my deputy, who is also the chairman, Kisii County, Mr. Hezron Onsoti. We are here in Kisii for 3 days as heads of primary schools. Our first and the second day today has been very successful. We are here to compare notes on how our schools are being managed. We have invited facilitators from the Ministry of Education, from the Teacher Service Commission, from the universities, and as you witness today, even our governor, Kisii County, has graced the occasion. As heads of primary schools, we have a lot of challenges. And when we come together, challenges shared are half solved. So today we are happy and we can report that we have solved them halfway. But the most important thing that I can tell the public, the government domiciled junior secondary school to primary schools. Let the public know from me that junior secondary school picked up well. It is going on well. The children are being taught, not like what I saw being reported in one of the Kenya gazettes yesterday, that a whole term wasted. That is jealousy of a few people who never wanted junior secondary school to be domiciled in a primary. And I want to tell them, our children are being taught and will be taught, and not just teaching them, they are taught properly. Who doesn't have a challenge? Our public universities, our colleges, each and every institution have got their own challenges. But I'm happy our heads are equal to the task. And they have addressed those challenges and they will continue to address them. So we have got no fear. We are saying, and we shall repeat, that JSS is there to stay in primary. In implementing the new curriculum, I can't say we face any challenge. I want to report that our teachers have been taught or trained on the CBC curriculum, and they are the implementers, and they have interpreted the curriculum design, and they are delivering. We have no challenge.